To make a table of contents, what you need to do is make use of the styles in Word, and this involves giving a label to different sections of our document. So we input a title, headings, heading 2 indicates subheadings as well there, so that when we go to create our table of contents, it knows what the hierarchy is for these different elements of our document. So you then need to find a space, click on the References tab at the top of the Word document and insert Table of Contents. And there are different styles you can choose. 1 or 2 is probably best. And it just automatically generates one based on the headings that you've attributed. You can then edit this. So you can edit how it looks, how many levels are shown, depending on how many different subheadings you have, whether or not you have page numbers. If you don't want one of your headings to appear, such as heading 1, you can remove that from the list as well. You can change the font from the style menu as well. So you can alter the look of your table of contents, but it's best to use that tab at the top under References. Also, if you delete a section of your document, you must remember to update your table, and that's again in that References tab. As you can see, the table of figures then disappears from our contents list.